Another tornado warning.
Chances are they can help you too. Thanks, Middle-Eye.
Make sure the volume doesn't.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Fulton County, Knox County, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Little Swan Lake, or 15 miles northeast of Macomb, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Abingdon around 11:20 p.m. London Mills around 11:25 p.m. McQuon and Gilson around 11:30 p.m. Yates City around 11:35 p.m. Williamsfield around 11:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Snake Bed Hollow, Galesburg Airport, Tehida, DeLong, East Galesburg, St. Augustine, and Middle Grove. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 46 and 67.
Did you know that less than 5% of people who tried on their own actually got
You're listening to